Yo my people, what's up? How y'all doing? So guys, in this very video guys, we're going to be making free BNB. We're going to be making BNB in our trust wallet. So we're going to be using trust wallet to mine BNB in this very video. But before we start guys, I want to quickly do the 2 USDT giveaway to 2 USDT giveaway to just 3 people. Like I said, like I mentioned in my previous video, I'm going to be doing 2 USDT giveaway to 5 people, no, 3 people rather. I'm going to do it to 2 people. But in this very video guys, do well to, I'll show you the giveaway terms for this very video. I'm also doing a giveaway in this video, but it'll be for 5 people. That's 2 USD for 5 people in this very video. But I want to quickly redeem the one that I said for my previous video. So guys, let me quickly go to comment speaker to start picking random wallets to send USDT to. So this is the first one, 10 things. So I'll quickly copy it. USDT TRC20 wallet address. I'll go to trust wallet, paste, then 2. So that's successful already. So I'm going to the next one. So to support me guys, do well to join the community. Do well to join the community. Make sure you are subscribing here, and make sure that you are a member of the Shiba Inu bot. Refer people to that Shiba Inu bot, and do not forget to join us on Telegram. So this is successful already. Let's go to the second one. Alright, so let's pick another winner. This person. Alright guys, so I think we're going to be doing a term for this giveaway I'm going to be doing in this video. So to enable me to do giveaway in this video, so that I'm making the video need to hit 200 views. The video need to hit 200 views in 24 hours, and if it doesn't hit 200 views in 24 hours, I will not do the giveaway. That's going to be. So do well to share the videos if you want to participate in our next giveaway. Do well to share the video guys. So this is our last comment. All right, so there is no wallet address there. So this one, I hope that you are a subscriber. To enable me to the next giveaway, this video needs to hit 200 views in 24 hours, and if it doesn't, I'm not going to be doing giveaway. I'm not going to do giveaway in this very video. Same would me apply to my next videos. In the next 24 hours, if it doesn't hit 200 views, then I will not do giveaway in that video. If you are watching this, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button, share the post, and make sure that it gets to friend if you can participate in my next giveaway. But guys, if you want to join my Shiba Inu Arena bot, Shiba Inu Reloaded bot rather, Shiba Inu Reloaded bot, quickly click this short to watch the full video on how you could use the bot. Click the link, then you get redirected to start using the bot. It's free of charge, and you could quickly start using it and quickly withdraw funds. Alright guys, to participate in this giveaway I'm going to be doing in this video, can you click the first video, the previous one before this one. Alright, it's not here guys, so just go to this second one that I made a video about BNB rather, the one I made a video about BNB. So just click the description box, then you get this stuff. So this is where you do it. Click on the follow me on Instagram icon, the link rather to Instagram, that you'll be able to follow me. Alright, so when you get redirected to my Instagram page, my IG, this is what you'll do. But before you come to okay, So guys, this is what you do. This is what you do. First of all, you leave good comment in this video. Very, very good comment, captivating comment. Your comments must show, it must not be hidden. Then you follow me, you quickly go to my Instagram, NG Crypto Lord. Then you see my page like this. Quickly follow me, click the follow button. Then you send me a message. You send me a message on Instagram. Send me a message on Instagram of proof that you have liked this video, you have subscribed the video. Show me how many times the subscribe button pop up right from the beginning of this video to the end of this video. Then if you get these terms correctly, then you get the 2 USDT straight directly to your wallet, just for 5 people. All right guys, so let's jump straight into the video for today. Alright guys, so when you check the link in the description of this video where I wrote BUSD, free BUSD, you get redirected to this post, this very post. You get redirected to this very post. So this is what I want you to do. Kindly click the link here, copy it, then you go to your trust wallet. Quickly go to trust wallet, go to trust wallet. You use trust wallet or token pocket, and there are apps that are suitable for this kind of stuff, this kind of airdrops and this kind of mining, the apps browser stuff. All right guys, so let's quickly do that. Let's quickly go paste this in our trust wallet right now. So this trust wallet, and I'll be pasting it in my the apps browser here. Then I'll be switching this icon right here to BNB instead of Ethereum. It's matching BNB. That's the network. So I'll quickly connect my wallet. As you can see, it's connected right now. My wallet is connected right now, and that is successfully connected. Alright guys, so this is a BUSD miner. The BUSD miner, it's the house BUSD miner that is booming up already. It's legit because I've made withdrawals from this, and I would like you to grab your copy right now before the platform ends, before the program is ended already. So guys, as you can see, this is how it works. This is how the thing works, and I'm making a live draw real quick from this platform. I'm making a live draw from the platform. Alright guys, so this is a BUSD miner, and the minimum deposit is 10 USD 10 BUSD. So if you don't know how to get BUSD, you could, and you have if you have USDT or you have other coins, you can just go to Binance and swap it for BUSD, or you could buy BUSD coin from Binance. This is going to earn us a lot. As you can see, this is we're going to be getting 9% on a daily basis. Let's quickly do a rough calculation guys. So let's say we do the least amount, which is 10 BUSD. So, and we are going to be getting 9% of 10 BUSD on a daily basis. Let's go see 9% of 10 BUSD on a daily basis. So as you can see, we're going to be getting 0.9 BUSD on a daily basis. That we're going to be getting on a daily basis, 0.9. And as you can see, the total percent is 270. So let's check it to 70%. That's percent to 70. So as you could see, we are going to be depositing the sum of 10 BUSD, and after 30 days, it's 30 days, the mining period, the mining duration is 30. So after 30 days, we're going to be getting 27 BUSD. You can see the amount of profit that we're going to be getting after for just 10 BUSD that we're going to be depositing. It's more than times 2. All right guys, so let me quickly make live withdrawals from this platform. You could earn by depositing to mine, and you could also earn by you also earn more by referring friends. As you refer friends guys, you're going to be getting referral reward, referral commissions, which is 10% of any person that you refer, according to the amount they are deposited. So since the least deposit amount is 10 BUSD, so you are going to be getting 10% of 10 BUSD for what your friend had that you have referred had deposit already. As you can see, it's user friendly. The user interface is so friendly guys. So it's a real legit one. So I'm making a live draw from it right now. I'm making a live draw from it. Please take note, be taking note of the amount of times you have seen the subscribe button pop up from the very beginning of this video to the end, so that you get this reward. Alright, so let's shoot the live draw. Alright Alright guys, so this is how it's done. So when you're in your dashboard like this, quickly, as you can see, my available for withdrawal there is 8 BUSD. 8 BUSD. That's my available for withdrawal. So I'll quickly go there right now to make my withdrawal. So I'll just click on that claim button. Then a smart contract call will be shown. You must have BNB smart chain that for you to make withdrawal from there. And as you can see, my receipt is here already since my transaction is successful, and 24 hours there for me to do another one. And this is it in my balance right here. My balance has changed to 9.49 BUSD for after I made the withdrawal of that amount of BUSD. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do not forget to hit the red subscribe button, like this video, and support us in the community. Share the video also, guys. Share it to participate in the giveaway.